Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. I want to talk to you again today about mental toughness. I want you to remember this lyric: don't back down. In the words of the late, great Tom Petty, you can stand me up at the gates of hell, but I won't back down. Now that, my friends, was a man with some grit and an unwavering commitment. Show the world you're serious, and don't you back down. And remember, Mr. Petty, all of us here on planet Earth, we miss you, man. This is Michael with Michael Beach Coaching and Consulting. We'll see you next time.